Righto, having a bit of a play with the exhaust. Got in trouble the other day from the missus, giving it a bit of a rev through the extractors, so I thought the time was nigh to finish the exhaust. Definitely no welder, got it all tacked up there. Just had this one extractor here, I just had to just trim that much off the end. A little bit rough, but that was under the car, that was tidied up nicely. And the flanges I ended up getting, maybe I should have got, I got the 85s centre to centre, and maybe I should have got the 87s, that just might have been a little bit nicer around there. But anyway, they fitted up really nice, so what I'm going to do now is actually I'm going to drop the car down and actually undo here and undo it off the engine and drop them down, and I'll have really good access to the for the top of the weld and that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Hmm. 10 minutes later, not too much of a hassle. Got the extractors, I can move them around and just access the top of them. It's easier than, well, I certainly wouldn't have been able to do it if they were in position, so some of you gun welders might be able to do it. Anyway, so I'm going to weld these up now. Should be good. It's all fitting quite nicely. So it should be good. Alright, let's see how we go. If I muck it up, you'll never know. Alright, you won't believe it. I was just final moving the extractors on the driver's side to just get a little bit thing, and it pretty much just fell out, so that's awesome. I might get a half decent weld on that one now. And this one here, yeah, I think that's pretty well stuck in there, but yeah, okay, cool. That's a stroke of good luck. Just hopefully I'll get it back in. Okay, is it pretty? No, it is not, but it's on there. And it's not going to fall off. Some of it's actually not too bad, and compared to old mate's effort around here, that is not me, I think it's all going to blend in quite well. Never said I was building a show machine. Rightio, extractors are back on the block, all nice and tight. Got to lift them up, tighten them up. Actually pretty happy. Oh, happy it's done. Yeah, cool, okay. I'm just going to hook these up, quickly show you that, and start it up and see how it sounds. Done, tight. Once again, there's old mate's welds. Yeah, All right, so that looks really good. Yeah, got good clearance to the cross member here. Well, it's probably 1/4 of an inch or something. Hopefully that won't be a problem. But one thing I can see here, that is really close. But obviously the diff's hanging. So if that is a problem, I'm going to have to go to the shop or something, I think, to get that sorted out, because it's probably a little bit beyond me. But anyway, there you go. Exhaust is done. Going to drop it on, chuck these right-hand side plug leads on, put the battery back on because I had that disconnected for welding, and yeah, we'll go and arc it up. Righto, clean hands, boots are off. Let's go for a start. Woo! I might have a plug lead around the wrong way. Let's go and investigate that. Alright, yeah, just check the plug leads and everything. They were all okay. I checked the firing order. Let's just go again. Okay, might have just had a loose plug lead. Sounds heaps better. That's with my foot just slightly resting on the accelerator. I'm going to have to just bump that idle up a bit, I think. But I'd say the choke is probably engaged somewhat still, but I'll sort that out. Yeah, as you can see, I've got fuel and everything happening now. Good oil pressure. Sounds sweet. Beautiful thing. Actually sounds really cool. Righto, there you go guys, I'll leave it at that. I'm just going to drive it up and down the driveway a little bit and enjoy it. Next will be get these guards off, just do a little bit of welding up in there, some spot welding, and I have got some stone guards are all here. I'll just do the final little clean up in there and stone guard all of that, and paint what just has to be painted here, and yeah, and then we'll think of what else to do. Mirrors on, yeah, bits and pieces like that. Anyway, exhaust is done, pretty happy, sounds great too.